how many ounces are in 500 milliliters. So what I want to do is I want to be able to convert between two systems, because right now I want ounces, and I'm given a milliliters, and this is in metric. So I'm going from basically the metric system, which is in milliliters, to the empirical system, which is in ounces. And both of these guys are measuring volume here. So we have to know what a conversion factor is for us to figure out the relationship between both systems here. So and usually I don't think you have to memorize these types of conversions because they are kind of a bit more tedious to memorize. But I know that in my conversion system, I know that 1 milliliter equals 0.0333814 ounce, as given also in the solution here. So we're on the right track. And what we want to do is we want to convert 500 milliliters, right? So what we want to do is we want to, again, use this concept of unit analysis. So if I'm beginning with 500 milliliters, so I have 500 mLs on this side, I'm going to multiply by our conversion factor, right? And I know that there's 0.033814 ounces per milliliter. So I can say 0.033814 ounces in 1 milliliter. So I know that the milliliters here cancel out. So I can say that it's simply just 500 times this conversion factor here of 0.033814 to get us our answer, which is going to be 907 ounces. And this here is our solution. And as you can see, this solution is also correct because they said 16.907 ounces in 500 milliliters. So solution is correct.